Welcome back to Blue Pen Land here. Okay, so this is the temperature of the substances, how much heat we've added. Notice at the top here, I also have to tell you how much the mass is, right? So the mass is 0.012 kilograms. It can be very helpful, right? So, okay, so where is it a solid? Solid and liquid, liquid and gas. Understand that's what's happening here is it starts as a solid, and I have to tell you that, which I do, I think. But anyway, it starts as a solid and it can heat up, right? But at a kinetic energy corresponding to about 30 degrees Celsius, it can no longer be a solid, right? It's energetically more feasible for it to become a liquid, right? So this is our solid right here, right? This little stretch. Wow, I just totally failed there. I'll put the S over there. This is our solid part here. This is where it's melting, right? So it's going, here it's all solid, here it's all liquid, all right? And so, you know, halfway, when it's halfway across, it's half solid and half liquid, right? So this is solid plus liquid, right? And then finally it's a liquid. When it's all a liquid, then the energy added to it just makes the atoms go faster and faster. So this is our solid plus liquid, right? But something crucial happens, right? At a temperature of 90 Celsius, right? It can no longer be a liquid. In fact, it becomes energetically more feasible for it to become a gas, right? That's what these points are, right? And so it starts to boil. Here it's all liquid. Here it's all gas, right? So this is liquid plus gas, right? And then, of course, this is gas. He said gas, right? Okay, so what is the melting and boiling? So the first little plateau is our melting, right? This is our, if we're using latent heats, it's fusion, right? Look how straight that line is. All right, and then this one is vaporization, right? So this is vaporization. Or vaporization, as the Brits would say it. Only, anyway, compromise. We say a Z sound too. Anyway, I wish I was British. It's more fun to say tomato than tomato. Tomato. What is that? It's a tomato. 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 Pass me the tomato. All right. And then our this is where we're melting, right? Which is, we call that fusion, the latent heat of fusion. We're fusing it. I don't know. To fuse something, does that mean necessarily to melt it? Anyway, there it is. So this is, the melting temperature is 30. If you read this correctly, I was like, well, that's 25. No. 30 Celsius, right? This one is between 80 and 100, so it's 90. All right.